Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. What 2025 hustles bring real money fast side your full-time job? It's not uncommon to doubt your ability to balance it all, but trust that even the smallest steps can lead to significant progress. The key is to choose a side hustle that aligns with your interests and fits seamlessly into your existing schedule. By dedicating just a few hours each week, you can nurture your venture while still managing your primary responsibilities. Remember, every successful side hustler started with a simple decision to take action. Your journey begins now. Now that you're ready to dive into these side hustles, let's break down the first one: user testing. It's a fantastic option for those who love to share their opinions and can spare a little time and effort for easy money. By signing up for user testing platforms, you can start earning cash for your insights on various products, websites, and apps, all from the comfort of your home. With just a few clicks, you unlock the potential for extra income while providing valuable feedback to companies looking to improve their services. This will not only help you financially but also make your voice heard in the digital world. Users log onto sites like usertesting.com and create profiles, detailing their interests and demographics to ensure they are paired with relevant tests. After completing the initial sample test, they receive notifications for new projects that fit their profile, offering flexibility in choosing which assignments align with their schedule. As they gain more experience, they may begin to see a steady influx of tasks, leading to more regular income without contrived effort. Each review submitted is an opportunity to provide insights that shape user experiences, making this hustle both rewarding and impactful. This side hustle truly stands out because it not only offers financial rewards but also makes you feel like you're contributing to a larger goal. Companies genuinely value your opinion, and every piece of feedback you provide helps improve user experiences. It's quite satisfying to realize that your insights could influence product designs and services in ways that benefit countless others. Moreover, with the flexibility to choose when and how much you work, it fits perfectly into any busy schedule. Speaking of fitting this into your lifestyle, let's explore the second side hustle: creating and selling digital sticker packs and illustrations. This option allows for creativity to flourish while generating passive income. If you've ever thought about using your artistic flair to generate income, digital stickers are a fantastic way to transform your creativity into cash. They're not just cute additions to chats, they are highly sought after in the digital space. You don't even have to be an expert designer. Simple, attractive designs can capture attention, and platforms like Etsy allow you to reach a wider audience without extensive marketing efforts. Imagine spending time crafting a unique set of stickers based on trending topics or seasonal themes. Once you list those products online, you essentially have a store running on autopilot, generating income as people discover and buy your designs. Each sale represents not just profit but also a chance to share your creativity with the world, leaving you with a sense of fulfillment while earning extra cash on the side. With digital products, the initial effort can lead to long-term passive income, making it a smart hustle choice for anyone pressed for time but eager to explore their artistic side. You can expand your creative options even further by creating Pinterest graphics to assist bloggers and e-commerce shops, as many are seeking to enhance their visibility on that platform. By designing eye-catching pins that resonate with their target audience, you not only provide value but also open the door to consistent income. Many small business owners simply lack the time or know how to manage their online presence effectively. Offering your services for creating attractive graphics, scheduling posts, and writing compelling descriptions can be a game changer. This hustle thrives on your ability to blend creativity with strategy, ensuring that your clients see results and keep coming back for more. Managing a handful of clients allows you to build a solid portfolio while earning an impressive side income. With a little effort up front to find your niche and prevalent demand, you can quickly establish yourself as a go-to resource for Pinterest marketing. As you build strong relationships with these customers, you'll enhance your reputation, leading to referrals that only further boost your business. Soon, your creative side hustle can flourish without compromising your full-time job. If you're ready for a versatile side hustle, consider assisting local businesses with lead generation through online means. Start by creating a simple website tailored to a specific industry, such as plumbing or dog training, where potential customers can find needed services. Use free tools to build the site and list it on Google for visibility, attracting traffic effortlessly. When leads come in, simply direct them to the business and watch your income grow as you prove the model. This hustle is not only scalable but also provides invaluable support to small businesses that often struggle with their online presence, allowing you to thrive while staying committed to your primary job. Now that you've explored these creative avenues, let's turn our attention to the future, where AI plays an essential role in business and daily life. Understanding the demand for efficiency, you can tap into this trend by offering AI-based products and services that simplify tasks for busy individuals and companies alike. By creating or reselling resources like ChatGPT prompt packs or AI content templates, you position yourself as a valuable asset, providing ready-made solutions that save people precious time in their daily routines. Overwhelmed by emerging technologies, many users are looking for shortcuts to navigate this new world, and your offerings can bridge that gap, ensuring they feel supported and empowered. With dedication and a focus on providing value, this side hustle can bring you both financial rewards and a sense of purpose, as you help others adapt to an ever-evolving landscape. Embrace this opportunity, and contribute to the AI revolution, while building your own successful venture alongside your full-time job. If you commit to just one of these side hustles and pour your energy into it over the next month, you'll likely find yourself equipped with the tools to succeed. Remember, persistence is key, and every small step leads you closer to your financial goals. As you explore these opportunities and put your ideas into action, you will discover not only a means to make extra income but also a newfound sense of personal accomplishment and growth. So, take that leap, embrace the hustle, and transform your aspirations into reality. The journey is yours to shape, and the potential is limitless. If you're serious about launching your side hustle, the first step is to choose one from the list that resonates with you. Dedicate time for research, create a plan, and set realistic milestones to track your progress. Each of these hustles can help you grow and provide a steady income stream, turning your dreams into achievable goals. Embrace the journey ahead, and remember, every small effort counts in the pursuit of your success. As you embark on this exciting side hustle journey, remember that success isn't just about the destination but the growth you'll experience along the way. With commitment, patience, and creativity, you can pave the path to financial freedom while balancing your full-time job. So go forth, take action, and thrive in your new venture. Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy.